New bill could significantly change how Kentucky punishes violent offenders.
Logan's Law is named after a 6-year-old boy whose death continues to shape this debate. DeAndrea Turner heard from Logan's family and state lawmakers about this push.
With more than 60 co-sponsors, if this bill passes, this will mark one of the most significant changes in Kentucky parole and sentencing laws.
Logan was one of a kind.
At 6 years old, Logan Tipton's family says he filled every room with joy.
He was always the first one to meet me at the door when I got home. The first one to tell me good night.
Now there's a bill named after him that his family hopes will prevent other families from experiencing their loss. Logan was killed in his home by Ronald Exantis in 2015.
We just miss him, but this is helpful knowing that maybe his death wasn't in vain.
House Bill 422, known as Logan's Law, would change how Kentucky handles sentencing and parole for violent offenders. The bill is rooted in what happened after Logan's death. Exantis was found not guilty of Logan's murder by reason of insanity. He was later released under mandatory re-entry supervision and eventually rearrested under an unrelated charge in Florida. Lawmakers backing the bill says that sequence of events should never be allowed to happen again.
We have to value human life in Kentucky, and one of the ways to do it is to ensure that murderers truly can be held accountable.
Logan's Law would delay parole eligibility for people serving life sentences from 25 years to 35. It would also require consecutive sentences when there are multiple capital offenses or violent felonies, meaning time served wouldn't overlap. Another key change, limiting the insanity defense for certain violent crimes, something Logan's family strongly pushed for.
We've made it tougher on the insanity plea.
The bill still requires mental health treatment for offenders, but supporters say accountability comes first.
Can get the help that they need and still face accountability for the actions that they have done.
In Frankfort, DeAndrea Turner, WLKY News.